From the goofy grin of a clownfish to the infectious laughter of a dolphin, these oceanic creatures are full of surprises. Get ready to dive into a world of cuteness overload. Coming up in number 5, clownfish and their anemone homes. First up, we have the clownfish, the underwater comedian that will make you giggle with its bright orange body and white stripes. Dolphins are the ocean's acrobats, and they'll make you smile with their grace and cuteness. Last but not least, we have the seahorse, a tiny wonder that will make you smile. From the silly clownfish to the graceful seahorse, these animals remind us of the beauty and importance of protecting our planet. So next time you're feeling down, just think of these cute ocean animals and their antics and you'll be smiling in no time. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the ocean's cuteness overload. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. And as always, keep learning. Stay curious and never stop exploring the wonders of our planet. Until next time, farewell. With its unique and charming appearance, seahorses are some of the most graceful creatures in the ocean. They're also pretty goofy looking, if you ask me. These charming fish have a prehensile tail that allows them to hold onto things like kelp and coral. They're also known for their unusual mating rituals where the male carries the eggs until they hatch. Imagine being able to carry your babies in a pouch like a kangaroo. How cool is that? Seahorses are more than just cute and graceful. They're also important indicators of the health of our oceans. Like all sea life, they're facing threats from climate change and pollution, but we can help protect them by reducing our impact on the environment. These playful creatures have been observed forming affection bonds with their caretakers, which is so heartwarming. Dolphins are highly intelligent animals who can communicate with each other through whistles and clicks. They're also playful and curious, which is why you often see them jumping and surfing the waves. Have you ever seen anything like this before? It's amazing how dolphins can be so graceful and strong. When you see a dolphin leaping out of the water, you realize just how athletic these creatures are. Their intelligence and playfulness make them some of the most fascinating animals in the ocean. Next up is a sea otter, a furry friend that will melt your heart. These adorable creatures have fluffy fur coats and big, curious eyes. They like to hold hands while they sleep, which is the cutest thing ever. But don't let their looks fool you. Sea otters are tough survivors. They use rocks as tools to crack open shellfish and eat the tasty insides. They're also playful and curious creatures who like to explore their surroundings and make funny faces. Look at this cute otter pup. It's so small and fluffy, you just want to squeeze it. But sea otters are more than just cute. They're also important members of the ocean ecosystem. They help keep the population of shellfish under control, and they are a food source for other animals like sea otters. But there's more to these fish than meets the eye. Clownfish are known for their comical appearance and quirky personalities. Just look at this one sticking its head out of the anemone. It looks like it's doing a little dance. But it's not just for show. They live in a symbiotic relationship with sea anemones, which are these cool plants that live underwater. The clownfish gets to live in the anemone, and the anemone gets to eat the leftover food that the clownfish eats. Talk about a win-win situation. Clownfish are also known for their playful antics. They like to hide and seek with each other by playing hide and seek among the tentacles of their shared anemone. And when they're feeling extra silly, they like to play with their anemone by tickling it with their fins. Just like a kid playing with a favorite toy, these clownfish are living their best life in their anemone homes. Who knew fish could be so funny? Number 4. Sea otter charm. Number 3. Dolphin intelligence. Number 2. Seahorse grace. Our oceans are thinking, which sea creatures could possibly be playful? Maybe a dolphin or a whale. Well, how about a sea otter? That's right. Today we are diving deep into the ocean to uncover the top 5 sea creatures that love to play. And you won't believe some of them. So let's get started. Number 5. Sea otters. Ever seen a sea otter playing with a rock or a kelp? If not, you're in for a treat. Sea otters are the clowns of the sea. These furry little creatures are always up to something funny, rolling around in kelp forests, sliding down hills and floating on their backs. While the ocean is their playground, these playful pups don't have a moment's rest. Whether it's a game of tag or a solo kelp surfing session, sea otters bring joy to everyone who spots them. But remember, when you see a sea otter with a rock, it's not just a pretty accessory. It's part of their favorite pastime, playing with their favorite inanimate object. They toss it around, roll it, and sometimes even try to hide it. Who knows what games sea otters would invent if they had opposable thumbs? Number 4. Dolphins. Dolphins, the quintessential playful creatures of the sea. These sleek and graceful mammals are not just known for their intelligence and friendliness, but also for their endless energy and enthusiasm for fun. Dolphins are constantly engaging in acrobatic displays, leaping and twirling through the water with ease. They love to play with each other, often seen racing, chasing and riding the waves together. Dolphins are also very social animals, and they love to interact with their caretakers. They are known to develop affection towards their caretakers and often greet them with excitement and enthusiasm. Number 3. Bottlenose whales. Have you ever seen a bottlenose whale breach? The sheer power and grace of these large marine creatures is truly awe-inspiring. But did you know that they're also big goofballs? That's right! Bottlenose whales are known for their playful antics, often seen engaging in games of tag and leapfrog with each other, riding waves and surfing with their bodies. These whales are always up for a good time. Just imagine the scene. A group of bottlenose whales playing in the waves, leaping and twirling through the air and crashing back down into the water with a splash. It's enough to make anyone watching smile. But don't be fooled by their playful nature. Bottlenose whales are also highly intelligent creatures, and they use their smarts to navigate the ocean and find food. Number 2. Tuna. Tuna are known for their incredible speed and agility in the water. But did you know that these speedy fish also have a playful side? That's right! Tuna are often seen playing tag or leapfrog with each other. They'll chase each other around in circles, mock attacking each other, and generally just having a good time. Now, you might be wondering why these speedy fish need to play. After all, they've got predators to avoid and prey to catch. But tuna are highly active creatures, and they need to stay sharp to survive. Playing helps them keep their instincts honed, and it also helps them bond with each other. So next time you see a school of tuna, take a closer look. You just might see them playing a game of underwater tag. Number 1. Sea turtles. Sea turtles are some of the most ancient creatures alive today, but that doesn't mean they're not full of energy. These graceful swimmers are often seen playing with each other in the ocean. They'll swim and dive together, race each other across the water, and even engage in a little tickling. Now, you might be wondering, do sea turtles really tickle each other? Well, it's hard to say for sure, but we've seen them engaging in behaviors that look an awful lot like tickling. And who wouldn't want to tickle a sea turtle? They're soft, squishy, and just so darn cute. Plus, it's a great way to bond with your fellow sea turtles. And there you have it, folks. From the silly sea otters to the ancient sea turtles, the ocean is full of playful creatures. So next time you're near the coast, keep an eye out for these playful pals. You never know what they might get up to. Do you know of any other sea creatures that love to play? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun. Until next time, happy playing!